Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete education on LinkedIn. To delete your education on LinkedIn, you need to first open your LinkedIn application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Now here you'll be taken to your home. Now tap on your profile present on the top left corner. Now tap on View Profile option. After this, you'll be able to view your profile on LinkedIn. Now, if you haven't added your education on LinkedIn, then you can tap on Add Section option. After this, tap on Add Education option. Then you can continue the further process of adding your education on your LinkedIn profile. To delete your education on LinkedIn, go back to your LinkedIn profile. Then scroll down. Then here you'll be able to see your education section. Now tap on a small pen icon near your education section. After this, tap on pen icon near your education institution name. After this, you'll be able to view your education. Now here you can edit your education however you like. You can scroll down and then you'll be able to find Delete Education option. Tap on Delete Education. Now LinkedIn asks you if you really want to delete education. Tap on Delete. With this, your education will be deleted from your profile. Now when you go back to your LinkedIn profile, you'll be able to see that there is no education present on your LinkedIn profile. This is how we can delete education in LinkedIn. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.